let me introduce myself. I am Dr. D.K. Pratyahar, Professor of Mechanical Engineering Department, IIT Kharagpur, India. I welcome you all to the course on fuzzy logic and neural networks. I started learning fuzzy logic neural networks during my PhD study at IIT Kanpur, India in the year 1995. So, after the completion of my PhD, I went for two PDFs. The first one is in Japan and the second one is in Germany, where I got the opportunity to reinforce my knowledge on fuzzy logic and neural networks. Now, after joining IIT Kharagpur as a faculty in 2003, so I have been teaching this course to the UG and PG students. So, I have taught 15 times to the students of IIT Kharagpur, and I have also guided a number of PhDs. Now, through this course, I will be getting the opportunity to share my ideas on this course, which I have gathered as a student, teacher, a researcher and a writer of a textbook. Now, coming to the course. Now, if you see, the real world problems are associated with imprecision and uncertainty. Now, prior to 1965, people used to think that probability theory, which works based on classical set, would be able to handle all the imprecisions and uncertainties in the world. But in the year 1965, Professor Jade from University of California, USA, he argued that in this world there are many uncertainties which cannot be handled using the probability theory, and we need a special type of set that is called the fuzzy sets. Now, fuzzy sets by definition are sets with imprecise and vague boundaries. Now, if you see the literature, the concept of fuzzy sets have been used to solve a variety of problems. For example, fuzzy reasoning tool has been developed to establish input output relationship. Fuzzy clustering tool has been used to do the clustering based on similarity. Now, there are a few tools for fuzzy reasoning or fuzzy clustering. Those tools, their working principles will be discussed in detail with the help of some numerical examples. Now, regarding these artificial neural networks, we try to copy from human brain in the artificial way, and these networks have been developed in different forms. For example, we have got multi-layered feed forward network, radial basis function network, recurrent neural network, self organizing map, counter propagation neural networks and so on. Now, in this course, the working principle of these networks will be discussed in details with suitable numerical examples. Now, if you see the application areas of these tools like fuzzy logic neural networks, so these tools can be used for input output modeling for any engineering process. It can be used for clustering, dimensionality reduction, like from higher dimension, lower dimension, we want to map some data, and to summarize, we use these fuzzy logic and neural networks for data mining. That means, we want to extract some useful information from a data using these tools like fuzzy logic neural networks. Now, this is a multidisciplinary course and there is no prerequisite for this course. So, anybody can take this particular course and prior information of this course is not required. This course will be useful to the PG and UG students, researchers, practicing engineers belonging to different disciplines. Now, the textbook which I am going to follow is the book on soft computing fundamentals and applications written by me and this book is published by Narasa Publishing House. Now, this is actually the textbook for this course. Now, regarding the reference books, so we have got the books like Fuzzy Sets and Fuzzy Logic, Theory and Applications by George Clear and others. And on neural networks, we have got a very good book, that is Neural Networks, a Comprehensive Foundation by S. Hekin, that is also a good book. Now, the course material will be available in the form of slides and the transcript, and of course, you will be getting 8 assignments, and you will also receive the solution for each assignment. Now, regarding the teaching assistants or TAs, there are 4 TAs. Now, they are doing PhD under my guidance here. The TAs are Mr. Soikat Sahu, Mr. Bhavanibhatta Kondola Rao, Mr. Debasis Das, Mr. Venkat Sainath. Now, these TAs are going to help you during the course, just to clear your doubts in consultation with me. So, I once again welcome you to this course. I am sure you will enjoy and learn a lot through this particular course. I wish you all the best. Thank you.